This is the new Honda Ridgeline. We installed the Retrax 1MX retractable cover. This cover is locked with the key here. You go out to your truck, you push the handle, you slide it right back in a few seconds. This cover glides on sealed ball bearings, so there's no maintenance required. You stop at any point on the rail system. This handle is what you use to operate it. So you just walk alongside the bed and you just push the cover down. We lock the tailgate with the pop and lock manual tailgate lock, so that way no one can open it. And then you just unlock the tailgate and then you can open it. This trunk will still open with the rail system, so everything will work here. This cover's clamped onto your bed. It has drain tubes going out the back. So if you want the best retractable cover for your new Honda Ridgeline, go on Retrax. They're the best brand. We sell them at Truck Access Plus here in Phoenix, Arizona. We also ship nationwide.